Hey everybody, today's cook is kind of a special cook. You go and check out Shane with Never Trust a Skinny Chef. He is doing a collaboration with other channels of hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. And this is to remember anybody who has lost somebody from cancer. He lost his son, and I have lost my mother from cancer, their grandmother. And she loved trying new recipes and trying new things. So today's cook is in memory of her. And we're going to try something new. So without further ado, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do some Takis cheese sticks. Aren't we all? Yeah. So Mama, Nanny B, this is for you. Okay. Okay, to make these cheese sticks, Miss Ansley is going to tell us what we're going to use.
We're going to use cheese sticks cut in half.
That's mozzarella, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we cut those in half.
Flour, 4 eggs, Takis.
We have some Takis. And then we got a pot of oil right here that we're going to fry them up in.
And a bowl to put your eggs in.
Yep. And that's what the bowls are for, to put the Takis and the eggs in. But now, we got to crush the Takis up.
Yeah, in the blender.
So,
food processor.
Oh, the food processor. We're going to put them in the food processor?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's get that done. Miss Ansley is now
Gonna put them in and
think that'll be enough?
yeah. Probably not.
Probably not.
We got a whole nother new bag.
I'll tell you what, let's get the other bag and put that in there. Jumbo, you get the other bag for us?
Just put where it fit.
That'll work.
That'll probably be enough.
Think so?
And if we have extra, we'll have crushed up Takis. And
We can have Taki and crusted chicken tonight. How's that?
what's that?
Press that.
Whoa!
You gotta hold it, bud.
You do that.
I will.
And press it.
I'm trying to make it into a dust. Think that's good?
No, there's still some chunks.
So some chunks. Okay.
That's good.
That work?
It's not powder, but it's good enough.
Take them out. Let's put it in the bowl then.
Yeah. Just like this. Just like a smoothie. Kind
Put it in the bowl.
Red for Takis.
Yeah, that's gonna fill the bowl up, ain't it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Raisins and red crushed up Takis.
Red crushed up Takis. What flavor Takis are these?
They're the plain Hugo, hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chips.
Oh. Now comes the fun part. Angie's been waiting on this part. Andy, yeah, why?
Because it's really, really hard. Because you gotta put this in there, put the cheese sticks in there, and the eggs, and then put the eggs in the flour, and then eggs, flour, eggs, flour, eggs, and then Takis.
And it gets all over your hands, don't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then it feels pretty satisfying.
Pretty sad. Okay.
But it doesn't look too
Oh, I'll tell you what. So telling us, why don't you show us?
So put that in there.
Okay, put cheese stick in the egg.
Pull it out.
Okay, now what?
Put it in the flour.
In the flour.
Mix it like that. Then put it back in the egg.
Oh, we're gonna double dip it. Okay. So you're a double dipper?
I will with these things because they're good.
Oh, okay.
And then flour all over it.
Okay, now what?
Put it back in the egg.
Really? A triple dipper?
And
then put it in Takis powder.
Okay, put it in Taki. Now, I see what you're talking about, getting stuck all over your fingers.
Yeah. It's just like this.
All right. Is that good enough? Okay, there's one. Do one more for us.
And then it's going to be Junior's turn.
And then we'll get the rest of them done, okay?
Okay.
So you put it back in the flour. Back in the egg. Back in the flour. Back in the egg. Now what?
Put it in the Takis.
In the Takis.
Oops.
Roll it around. There you go. Get that Taki goodness stuck to it. All right. Well, they got a few of them made up. And they look like they're going to be pretty spicy. What y'all think? Spicy? Yeah? All right, well, let's fry them up. Miss Tootie here is going to put them in this oil over here. And we're not going to fry them long, just enough to kind of get them golden brown. So let's put them all in there and get them fried up, and we'll take them out here in just a minute.
Can I do some?
Yeah, you can put some in there. Probably Gimbal put 2 or 3 in there. Love helping these kids cook. I love them helping me cook. Y'all like cooking?
Are you going to take them out?
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
want to take them out.
So we'll let Junior. We got the pooper scooper over there to take them out with. All right, they're starting to fry up pretty good. Take your scooper there and kind of stir them around a little bit.
Oh, we're using a scooper to take them
Yeah.
out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I take them out?
In just a second. We'll see. Okay, you can start taking them up now.
Here.
They're done. Take them out, let it drip. There you go.
Really, really crispy.
They do look really, really crispy. They look like we might have cooked them a little too long. You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we should do like 3 next time so we can not have to waste.
I think they're still gonna be good
They
though.
look like little bitty chicken tenders.
Little bit chicken tenders. All right, let's fry the rest. Well, the time has come to try them out. Y'all ready?
And we have
Now-
another contestant.
Yeah. No, Colton here is not gonna eat any. This is not for him.
And my,
Yeah, well, he's trying to tell me he wants some though.
I know which one I want.
I dig in, see how these are.
I want this one.
I want to break one open and see. Oh yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah. They kind of cooled off a little bit, ain't they? Are they good though? Yeah. He got one anyhow. Taki covered cheese sticks. Uh-oh, he's gonna try one.
Colin's eating it.
They're not hot? No. Are they good though? And Tootie's dipping it in ranch over there.
It's good.
Is it good? I tell you what, I think we done found a new afternoon snack, hadn't we? Yep. So y'all like them?
Colton does too.
Yeah, he does, don't he? He sure does. Colton, they good? Are they good? Y'all really haven't met Colton. That's the newest addition to the Crazy Kids. So what we gotta do now, y'all?
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you want to be part of the Crazy Crew, #Crazy Crew.
Okay. Really, Michael? Is that good? Are they good? They good with the ranch? You wanna try blue cheese?
The ones that were down like that, Takis, they're warm at the bottom.
Okay. I'll tell you what. Y'all leave us a comment down below of what y'all think, and if y'all tried this before, or if you would like to try it. If you do try it, let us know what you think of it. And do everything Junebug here said to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Get all that done. Check below. We have some social media links down below. Our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that's down there. And email if you want to contact us for anything. Let us know what you think. And, hey, check out our other videos. We got a lot of other good stuff, don't we, y'all? Yep. Okay. Well, until next time, we'll be seeing you.